Alright guys, so here we are taking the valve cover gasket set of a '07 Acura TL Type-S. So these little gaskets are a pain in the ass to take off. Alright, so this right here is actually, this right here is actually metal. Let's see if I can focus in a little bit better. This right here is actually metal, okay? So they go right there. They're a pain in the ass, as you can see. This one's still on, and it's not like you can just pop it off. So the easiest way I found out to pop them off is to take a screwdriver, right? Put it right on the edge of so, as you can see, of so, and then hammer the end in, right, until you're able to get the screwdriver in, and then pop it out. As you can see, I didn't do any damage to these from doing that. You just gotta be very careful, right? So I've popped 2 up so far. And for you guys that want to do the gasket valve cover gasket set, I'll tell you what, it's a pain in the ass just because of these things. But all you will need is simple tools. You need a flathead screwdriver, some little pliers. Use these 10mm bolt, a little hex key, number 6, okay, hammer, some WD-40, and as you can see, I have already taken out my intake manifold gasket. Alright, so the number 6 key, the hex key, you're going to need it for these right here, okay? These bolts right here go in here, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, you want to be careful, guys, because these come with this little washer, so be careful you don't drop it anywhere in here. Just make sure once you unloosen it, you grab the washer and pull the bolt off. Okay, as you can see, to get to those bolts, you need to take off that little cover that goes on it, okay, with the sensor. Once you take those off, they're actually, I keep everything in a bucket right here. Makes it a little bit easier to find. Actually, these 10mm bolts that go like here, like so. And then there's 2 little bolt heads that go here as well. Alright, so now we come to the motor. Alright, so in order to properly have enough room, make sure everything's good on it. So as you can see, all you need to do is unloose this 10mm bolt, right? Pop these off the valve cover gasket, pop it out, make sure you unloosen this. There's a little bolt right here where this goes like this, right? And then a little black cover. All right, there's a few things that I disconnected. Of course, the sensor that goes up to the intake manifold. Another sensor goes up to the intake manifold. These 2 little coolant lines that go up to the throttle body. A vacuum line back here. Another sensor that goes to the throttle body, and of course, your throttle body connector. All right. Now I myself have a spacer with one of the little plastic gaskets on my TL Type-S. Now, as you can see, that's what the inside of your head should look like. I've been running Mobile 1 for the past since I've owned the car. So I've owned the car since 2008, and I've always used the Mobile 1. And as you can see, the motor is quite clean, or the heads, I should say, is quite clean. Now, if you guys want to, I may upload a video on how to remove the back valve cover gasket, but it shouldn't be too hard, as well as loosening up this plastic piece that goes right here. There's some 10mm bolts here. Of course, removing back here your